Hi there, welcome to another using Radar Studio, and today I'm going to be doing some latency testing. And basically I'm going to record a drum beat from one of these drums into that Rode NT4 mic, and that's going to go through this BAE preamp at the bottom there, through a compressor. I just want to tighten the signal up a bit, and I'm going to record one drum beat into Reason. And what's going to happen then is we're going to bounce that back through. So I'm going to send it out as audio and then back in as audio and re-record it. I'm going to look at the discrepancy between the two drum signals, and that'll tell us the latency in milliseconds. Okay, so in fact let's go in there a bit and have a bit more. Yeah, this is what I'm after really, is this edge here. So if I get rid of that, yeah, there's a pretty flat edge there, so that'll give us a good indicator of the start time. In fact, if I've got a bit more we can. Yeah, look, there's quite a nice start on that wave there. So what I'm going to do is export this file. I'll take the reverb off, which let me see if I can find that. Okay, I'm going to mix a reverb off. So I've got a gate on there. That's the only thing. There's no kind of Mixbus processing. I've done my limiting in here. So I'm going to export that file, 3 and 4. So I'll create an audio track here. And the inputs on here are going to be stereo inputs. And we've got 3 and 4 going in there. So comp out, I can take that out there. There we go. So what's happening? The drum track we recorded is being played out, right? It is going through here, but it's an all analog signal path. There's very little delay in there, so it's coming straight back in. I'm trying to see if there's another way to do this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is there we go. So if I zoom into here and expand this, yeah, so we can see the latency there, and what I need to do now is repeat this process in Mixbus, Harrison Mixbus, and in radar mode, and I'll set this up off camera just to save a bit of time. So but you can see the process we're doing here. Okay, so I've got Mixbus set up now exactly the same way, and I'm going to record loop back in. I've imported the file there. Just need to arm these two tracks now. 3 and 4, they're armed. And where do I want to go to? Transport. What we can see as a result of the latency test is that Reason has been the quickest, and I'd say that's about, you know, maybe half to 1 milliseconds. Then Radar came next quickest, it was about between 1 and 2 milliseconds, and then Mixbus is about 4 milliseconds. So I do want to conclude from that, really. I mean, this is phenomenal performance, and yeah, I may have made a mistake with the test. They're not exactly scientific. They're, you know, a drum that's been re-recorded through the system's very simple test, but this is what has happened. You know, I can't see how I could have made these things any quicker than they actually occurred. There's no recording offset latency in any of these, so obviously I love working in Reason. I prefer the sound of radar though, especially for tracking live instruments. So, you know, 2 milliseconds is like 2 foot of distance, right, if sound moves. You know, with Mixbus really, I'm mixing down that kind of latency. It isn't quite as important, but certainly for live tracking, radar and Reason are fantastic. I don't know how the guys at IS have done it, but you know, congratulations, man. I'm really stoked, and this is a great performance thing for me as a musician. When I'm setting up monitor mixes, I've got artists coming in, stuff like that. You know, basically I can go through effects and plugins and come out and you know, it's still be in real time really. So anyway, that's the latency. Maybe I'll do some more tests in the future. Thanks for watching.